Feabhas Feabhra Eip. Welcome back to Feicfidh everyone, and we're going to look at more ways in which you can improve your Irish and use more Irish daily throughout February. Okay, starting out, phrase you could use in the morning time as you get up. You might ask somebody, or somebody might ask you, what will you have for breakfast? What are you going to have for breakfast? Céard a bheidh agat don bhricfeasta. Céard a bheidh agat don bhricfeasta. You could swap out céard and put in cad. What will you have for breakfast? Céard a bheidh agat don bhricfeasta. By whatever agam. So by toast agam. I'll have toast. And shin. By toast agam. Guma. Okay. Middle of the day when you want to check in on someone, or I just think it's a nice phrase to use. You know, with people, with your friends or something, like, are you okay? An bhfuil tú ceart go leor stór. An bhfuil tú ceart go leor stór. And by adding a stór at the end, a lovely term of endearment, I use it with everybody. It's like saying honey, sweetheart, darling, any of those. A stór. Love it. An bhfuil tú ceart go leor stór. And then obviously the leor in the store, rhyming. I mean, beautiful. Okay. We've looked at similar phrases kind of in terms of going to sleep and saying like, oh yeah, I'm going to bed. I'll see you in the morning time. I'll see you in the morning. Feicfidh maidin hu. Feicfidh maidin hu. Mata si bhgéir níos mó gaige ólam, leannig mar an man ho sílta, rinigí na fís an seo, agus feicfidh mas a géad fís an eile sib. Slán a chairde.